How to change your Instagram story background color. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In this video, I'll show you how you can change the background color of your Instagram stories. So you want to make sure to watch this very video till the end. Now, if you're aware, whenever you try to upload a photo on Instagram, Instagram is going to copy the accent of that photo and then convert it into a background itself, which means that it is going to choose a background color itself automatically in the gradient format. And Instagram does not allow users to change the background manually. So if I go ahead and go to the Your Story section over here, let me choose a random photo that I want to upload. And if I shrink this photo right over here, you can see the background color is basically the accent color on this photo. Now there is one way to actually change it. The very first way is by using filters. So you can simply swipe right or left in order to see multiple type of filters, but that is also going to change the color of the photo itself and not only the background. Instead, there is another solution that I can offer you. So for that, first I'm going to discard the story. I'm going to choose a random photo that I will convert into a background. So let's say that this is some of the random photos that I want to convert into a background. What you want to do is now we're just going to tap on the draw tool on the top right hand side on the three dots, and then here you'll find the draw tool. Just tap on the draw tool. Now from the bottom, pick a color that you would like this image to have, which means that we're going to convert this into a background. For example, let's say I want to pick a purple color. I'm going to just tap on the purple color from the bottom, and now I'm going to long press anywhere on this photo right over here. And as you can see, the background color has been changed. Now this is our background. If you want to convert it to blue, you can tap in blue, long press on this image to convert into blue. Now to save the changes, tap on the check icon from the top right. Now we've chosen a background color for our Instagram story, but how do we choose the photo itself if we want to add it? Now in order to add photo, you can see now we do not have the option because we chose from there and then we converted into a background. So to add one, you need to tap on the sticker icon from the top right hand side of the screen, and then here you'll find this plus icon, which is the photos filter. You just want to tap on it. Now this photos filter allows you to upload photos on your Instagram story via stickers. So now I'll just choose a random photo that I would like to pick. So let me also just go ahead and then choose a random picture that I might want to pick. Now once I do that, you can see I have successfully added my photo with a different background. What I can do is I can change the shape of this photo, which means I can tap on it once, it will convert into a sharp edges. If I tap on it again, it will convert into a round circle. If I tap on it, the square, and similarly some other are also going to follow. You can zoom in and out, pinch in and out in order to change the size accordingly. And these are some of the ways on how you can change the background color for your Instagram story. Hope this video helped you and cleared the confusion. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.